Alright, hi there. Just wanted to show you a few tools for entering answers in tests on Canvas. So I'm going to look at the Module 3 practice test to do that. Now I'm just going to preview it just because that's how I do it on the teacher end here. Now I'm going to go down to question 2D to start, as I'll refer to the practice test key for what I'm going to be entering. Say if I want to enter a confidence interval like this, say for 2D, I could also enter with this parentheses notation, but if you want to use this inequality notation with mu, you can enter that in Canvas. So I need to enter 108.3 less than mu less than 117.7. So how I do that in Canvas is I click on this button here, insert math equation. I'll come up with this options. I now just do 108.3 less than. I can come up to this tab here. Notice there are a lot of different options here. I'm going to click on Greek. I'll go over to mu. I can plug that in, and then less than 117.7. And then takes a sec, but then it puts in my answer there for me. So that's one way I can do that. Now I can also, let's see, some other types of answers I might put in. Say if I want to put in something like this confidence interval for question 4F with the sigma in there, I could do something just like I did with that problem. Or what I can also do is when I still insert a math equation, I will, let's see, let me just get the numbers first, 4.74 to 8.17. So 4.74 less than. What I can also do instead of going to this Greek drop-down menu here is most of the letters all work to type in. If I just do backslash, then spell out the letter, or spell out how I'd say the letter, so sigma, hit spacebar, and then it types in the sigma for me. And then I just plug in that upper limit of 8.17, and that works as well. And it'll work for any Greek letters doing that. So for example, I could do mu also for other problems. You just insert equation, just takes a sec, and then it pops in right there. And let's see, and last thing is just also if say I want to type in something like this for hypotheses notation. So I'll just go to number 6, part 3. When I want to enter that. Now there's a couple ways I can get the notation I want there. So maybe I can do in an equation again. I do h. Now I actually type underscore, and that'll allow me to do a subscript here. 0 for h naught. Now for some reason the equation does not like colons, so I'm not going to put that in here. So once I'm out of the equation editor, I'll just type in a colon that way instead. And now I can just go ahead and do the insert equation again. I can do p equals some 0.5. Now say for the alternative hypothesis, I could do h. Now what I'm going to do is, let's see, select this subscript button, hit A or 1 for the alternative hypothesis, then just click it again. And to get out of that, colon, then I'll go ahead and do an equation for the alternative hypothesis. Now if I want to do not equal to, I can look under relationships here, and I can go ahead and select it from right there, not equal to 0.5. And then a keyboard shortcut for the not equal to is also \NE. All right, and that's just a few quick equation input tools.